Hi, Osceola County. It's Jen Torres here showing you how to file for your homestead and other tax exemptions. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment below. So we're going to go to Google and type Osceola County Property Appraiser. It's the first one that pops up. Click on that. And if you prefer to type the direct website address, here it is right here. Now on here, you can scroll down to where it says e-file homestead, or you can go up here to where it says exemptions. You can select file homestead, or you can click on all exemptions if you want to know about the others, and we'll go back there in one moment. Click on file homestead and fill out the information here. It's relatively easy. Sometimes they'll want a photocopy of your driver's license, as you can see here. And some counties want the address on the driver's license to match the property address that you live in. So I would call your county just to make sure what they want exactly so that you know what you need to do. But let's say you may qualify for other exemptions. Let's go back here and go to all exemptions. Now, the homestead exemption, what it does is it will deduct $50,000 from the assessed value of your property, which is what's used to determine your property taxes. They take the assessed value and they multiply that by the millage rate. And every year, your property value goes up. So usually your property taxes go up. And the beautiful thing about the homestead tax exemption is it prevents your taxes from going up more than 3% every year. And you can imagine over the course of 10, 20 years, how much in savings that is. The other thing that's really important is the portability tax cap. So what this does is if you lived in a property and then you move to a new homestead, you can transfer that homestead exemption, whether it be in Osceola County or any of the other counties in the Florida area, you can transfer it. So let's say you were saving on taxes for 10 years, and now you're moving to a new property that's being evaluated at its current value, which is obviously going to be higher than what it would have been if you had purchased that property 10 years prior. So now you can transfer that portability from your old property to the new one, which will save you more than that $50,000 in value. I'm going to be making a video on that as well. But there are other exemptions in here: a disability exemption, first responder, granny flat exemption, nonprofit exemption, senior exemption, value adjustment board. There's also a widow's exemption and a veteran's exemption. So I would poke through here. And if you think there's an exemption that you've heard of that you don't see here, sometimes the websites aren't up to date, I'd just give them a call. It doesn't hurt to ask, right? Worst they can say is no. But if you have any questions about these exemptions specifically, feel free to contact me or comment below. Take care.